International Yazidis Foundation for the Prevention of Genocide.
شكرا سيدة الرئيسة.
Thank you. My name is Aziz Kalo. I am the representative of the International Yazidi organization. Despite declarations by Iraq to have put an end to Daesh, violations still continue at the hand of other militias and armed forces. There are also challenges that hinder the return of the displaced persons to their countries. More than 1,800 Yazidis and many others have been forcibly disappeared. And the situation of the population in Nineveh is even worse than the situation of the Yazidis. In Syria, because of the attacks by Turkey and the armed groups in Kobani, Aleppo, and others, the Yazidis and Kurdish, Assyrians, and Christians minorities are being exposed to abductions and to violations of their human rights. Schools have been targeted. This was documented by COI on Syria. This is happening before the eyes and ears of the international community. We call on the international community to exercise pressure to put an end to the conflict in Syria, especially in the northwestern area, with a view to guaranteeing the rights of the ethnic minorities in Syria. Thank you.